This is bag number 10. So, meron tayo dito rectangular sling bag. Actually, ito is like brand new talaga. Parang hindi siya nagamit. Never siya nagamit. Super black na black yung kanyang color. Ayan, wala itong flaws. Kasi parang talaga siyang brand new. Yan yung kanyang baba. Ito yung kanyang sides. And then, ito yung kanyang strap. Ayan, so super light new. Adjustable din yung kanyang strap. And ito yung pag-adjust dito is ganyan siya. So, lipat mo lang yan. Tanggalin mo yan. Ito yung kanyang inside. Ayan, so black na black siya ha. Wala itong flaws. Ito yung kanyang compartment. Ayan, super black na black. And nakapal din yung kanyang leather. For this one, code is HEART for only 220 pesos.